Hi everyone, I'm Neha. Hope you all are doing really well. And please consider subscribing and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. Now let's get into the video. In today's DIY, I have taken 2.5 meter of floral cotton fabric. Here we are making a midi dress, so we'll take 46 inches total length of the dress. In today's video, I'll use these measurements. You can change your measurement accordingly. Here we need 2 fabric panel for the bottom skirt part. Taking 23-inch length, adding 1 inch for seam allowance. Here the normal fabric width is 42 inches for us, so we'll take that much. Now we'll cut bottom tied gather piece. So for that, fold the fabric once in width. Adding 1 inch for seam allowance, I'll take 12 inches length. Same will cut 3 pieces. Now join their sides together. Now double fold the hem by 1 inch. Up here we will create the gathers. For this we have to give basting or long stitch in 2 lines at 1/4 inch gap. Now we'll cut the top part. For that we fold the fabric twice in width. The ready length of the top will be 14 inches. I did it 5 inches for strap. So here I have taken 9 inches fabric, adding 1 inch for seam allowance. Here leave half inch for seam allowance. Mark 4 inches neck width. Here we'll take half of our armhole round minus 15 inches. Half of it is 7.5 inches. I'll reduce 5 inches for fabric strap. Here we'll take 1/4 of our chest round, so minus 33 inches. 1/4 of it is 8/4 of an inch. Here take 1/4 of your waist round, so minus 26 inches, adding 1 inch for ease, so it's 6.75 inches. Here I am adding 1 inch for waist dart. On sides take 1.5 inch seam allowance. From this midline take half of an inch from both sides. Join it with neck curve and armhole curve. For waist dart, go bust point at 10 inches, then go down at 1 inch. For dart width, take 1/12 of your chest round, then add 0.75 inches on it. So it's 3.5 inches. So here's same length and width of the dart will be 3.5 inches. Here make a 1 inch dart. Also give same dart on the back part. For strap, here we take 2 pieces of 2 by 10 inches. Now fold it like this. Sew along with the edges. Now follow my instructions. At the pointed end of the dart, you should leave the thread to tie up. From this method, your dart doesn't look pointed and it gives a good finish. Now we'll cut our lining bottom skirt. For that, take 2 fabric pieces. We'll keep the same width of the fabric which has come to us. On the outer skirt we kept 32 inches length, so in lining we reduced 2 inches, adding 1 inch for hem fold. Double fold the hem by 1 inches. On top we create small pleats up to our waist. On both panels we create gathers. Now join them together. Here from the bottom we have to stitch both skirts separately. We'll attach invisible zip on the left side of the dress. Here on the waist our zip will be attached up to 10 inches. Here you have to open the folded zipper teeth by pressing it. Carefully iron it in low setting. Sew along with the zipper teeth, but keep in mind that no stitch come over the zipper teeth. Always start and end with a back stitch. Use single or zipper pressure foot. With this method you can see how finished our zip look. It is not visible from outside at all. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you like this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.